Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another Crypto Basics video tutorial. And in today's video, we're going to walk you through how to stake your Harmony One through Metamask. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up that like button. We really do appreciate it. It pushes out the content to like-minded individuals. It really does support the channel. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. And don't forget to jump in our Discord. Link is in the description of the video. Free to join. Fantastic community supporting one another in the crypto space. Right, let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so what I'm going to do, it was kind of requested in our Discord actually, that we talk through how you send your Harmony from, say, an exchange like Binance to your Metamask, first of all, and then how do you stake from your Metamask, right? So I've got the Metamask Play wallet set up here, and I've got my Binance account. So what we're going to do, first of all, we're going to copy the address for our Harmony wallet on Metamask. So we've got Harmony mainnet here. Now, if you don't know how to add Harmony mainnet, do check out the playlist Crypto Basics in the YouTube channel, or find a video in our Discord and it'll show you how to do that in a separate tutorial. But we're going to make the assumption that you've already done that. You've already got Harmony mainnet on your Metamask wallet, and we're going to go from there, right? So we've copied the address from here. We're going to go to explorer.harmony.1. I will link the details in the description of this video. We're literally going to paste the wallet address that we copied here, okay? And basically this is going to change it into a one wallet, right? So we need to do that. We're going to copy that. We're going to go to our Binance account or your exchange. We're going to paste the address in here now. Already picked up that this is a Harmony One address, although it's going to go to our Metamask. Now we've got 211.1 here, so we're just going to click maximum, which would obviously, after the Binance fee, leave 210.9 go into the Metamask wallet. So we're going to click withdraw. We're going to do that, and then obviously it's going to then ask me for a mobile number verification, and it's also going to ask me for an email verification. So this is pretty standard, obviously security measures. I'm going to obviously type these in now. So let's just do that. Wait for the email to come through from Binance. And this will be the same regardless of what exchange you use, right? Obviously, the security measures might be slightly different, but ultimately, you're still going to have to use the explorer.harmony address to change your Metamask over to a Harmony address. Okay, so we're waiting for approval from Binance. So that's been sent now to our Metamask wallet, right? So that's pretty straightforward. We've now just got to wait for it to come through to our Metamask wallet. In the meantime, whilst we're waiting for that to come through to our Metamask wallet, let's head on over to all the validators here on the staking.harmony.1/validators/mainnet. And this will bring up, and again, I'll link the address in the description of the video, and this will bring up all of the different Harmony One stake pools. Now obviously there's quite a lot. You've got your status here, so these here are elected, right? And there are pools that aren't elected. So here you've got just the elected ones, but you've got some that aren't elected. So if they're not elected, they're not generating rewards, right? Just to be clear. But it looks like it's on elected to start off with. You got your expected returns. So again, this is different depending on the pool, and don't get me wrong, they can be different each epoch, so they don't really tell you too much. It just really tells you what they achieved in the previous epoch. The amount that's actually staked, so this is how much is actually in the pool. So as you can see, Binance staking 902 million in their pool, they take a 5% commission, but they don't actually get many returns. So I wouldn't be jumping in that pool. This is the commission, this is how much the pool's earning, and this is the amount of uptime. So you can actually search for the pool. So we're going to obviously go for the one and only 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏 pool, because I think, you know, there is no other pool to really be going for. But I do say support small pools. I think that's really important for decentralization. But on the flip side, I do expect small pools to be adding some value. Anyone can spin up a pool and just demand that bigger pools just take less keys. You know, I really do think that small pools need to actually add more value than just spinning up a pool, to be honest. That's my opinion. You know, you shouldn't just be given stuff, and it shouldn't just be expected. But, you know, I do support small pools, but I support small pools that I feel are adding a little bit more value than just spinning up the pool itself, right? So we've got a few different things here: delegate, you know, undelegate, and so forth, right? So we've decided we're going to go with the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏 pool. We're going to sign in. We're going to use an existing address. We're going to use Metamask wallet. We're going to click sign in. That's then going to bring up your Metamask wallet. You're going to then click next and connect. And there we go. You can see that your Metamask address is now connected here, right? And we can go on profile. We can now actually see that the harmony that we sent from Binance has arrived in that wallet. So we've got over 271 harmony in our Metamask wallet. And if we go back to our Metamask wallet, you can see it here, right? So there we go. So we're good to go now, right? So back to validators. Let's find the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏 pool. So we're on the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏 pool now. All we need to do in order to delegate is just click delegate. We're going to then see how much, so you can set max or you can choose the amount. Now, what I would say is always leave a little bit in your wallet to cover the fees for claiming the harmony that it generates. Then all you need to do is click next, and then you're just going to sign to confirm. Your MetaMask wallet's going to ask you to sign, and there'll be a small gas fee, but it's going to be very, very small. We're going to wait for that to process now. If we go over to our MetaMask wallet and go to activity, you can see that it's pending here. We'll wait for this to go green. You see that that's now looking like it's about to go through, and that'll change from pending to, I guess, complete. There we go. If we go back over to the pool, we can now go to our profile and we can see that we are delegating. So staked here, 265.1 staked to the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏 pool. So really simple. Now, one thing that I would say as well is there is a minimum amount that you can stake to the Harmony 1 pool. Now, that is 101. You really don't want to be withdrawing your rewards until, you know, they get to about 100 for that very same reason. Now, for example, if you get your rewards, they accrue here in this section. Now, once obviously you've got some rewards, we've just immediately delegated, right? But once we get some rewards, let's say it gets to 100, you just click claim rewards. Again, it's going to ask you to set the amount that you want to claim. You claim it, you sign it, and then it'll end up in your MetaMask wallet and it'll be shown here in the available section. So it's really, really simple. I will follow up with a separate video on how to, do that. I think it's a very simple thing to do, but, people want to see people do it. And I think, that's the value of these videos. I hope this video was useful, supportive in some way. Do let me know in the comments below if there's any other tutorials that you'd like me to do that will be supportive. Show your appreciation with mashing that like button. It is really appreciated. And subscribe so you never miss any tutorials, news, hidden gems, and all that sort of wonderful content that we put out, technical analysis and so forth. Again, really appreciated. And just make sure you tap that bell so you receive all the notifications. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.